Hi, it's Easty here from haveago.tv. Today we're looking at fixing plasterboard to stud-work, and I want to show you the importance of using the right bit and the right size screw. Drywall screws require a Phillips 2 bit. This bit has actually got a little depth gauge on there, a little plastic depth gauge that prevents the screws from piercing the plasterboard when you drive them in. To demonstrate why it's so important to have the right bit and the right screw, let's see how snugly that fits, and you can actually put a bit of pressure on there. The screw has just slightly embedded itself into the plasterboard, making it so much easier to plaster or even dry fill later on.